What's going on, sociologists? How are you doing today? It's a beautiful Monday. Um, Happy International Women's Day yesterday, and happy Monday and Women's History Month. And we're going to talk about media and technology this week, and you're going to watch a film about Project Censored, which is the media freedom project that I work on, and some of you students in other classes also work on. I think, well, Shayna, you work on it, and you're in this class, right? But probably nobody else. So it's a weird time because we're all worried about like spreading virus and all that stuff. And so I hope everybody's just being careful and being safe and doing what you need to do to protect yourselves. There's a chance that we're going to be asked to move all of our classes to online. We haven't been told that yet, but we're supposed to be prepared for that. But we're an online class, so we're just going to keep doing what we're doing. So this week you're going to think about media and technology. Think about how it's evolved. Certainly this class being taught 30 years ago wouldn't be an online class because there wouldn't be such a thing. So think about how that's changed the face of society. So that's what we're doing this week. And you're going to look at it sociologically, right? So think about how access to privilege and power relates to technology and technology competence, I guess you could say. So stuff to consider. And then next week is spring break, so there won't be a post, and I won't send you a message. So I will check back in with you 2 weeks from today, basically, when we come back from spring break. So over spring break, just be safe, take care of each other, and do what you need to do to stay healthy. All right? Have a good week. I look forward to seeing your posts.